Hey guys, welcome back to Fefe's World where cooking becomes easy. It's your girl Fee, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make my sweet and sour chicken. So guys, this is one of my favorite recipe. Whenever I make this dish for anyone, they always ask me for my recipe. It's pretty simple but very, very delicious. Ask my brother, he will tell you. Alright guys, so off camera I washed my chicken and I cut it as you can see. And that's the sizes that I rather. Guys, please wash your chicken. I read so many articles on Google. I know, guys, that not everything on Google is real and whatever, but all the articles, including Food Network, they're saying that you're not supposed to wash your chicken because how you will increase the chance of salmonella, and how the heat will kill the bacteria that needs to kill in the chicken. Like guys, remember, there are bacteria that can survive in heat and bacteria that can survive in the cold. So even though you cook it, you can still get salmonella. Enough of me rambling or my teachable moments. So guys, you want to make sure that you season your chicken. I'm using the Maggie all-purpose seasoning and also the Maggie chicken seasoning. Guys, you know how much I love Auntie Maggie, and Auntie Maggie is not sponsoring me. It's just that I rather Maggie seasoning or Easy Spice, so I always buy them. So you can use whatever chicken seasoning you rather, but I'm using the Maggie one. These are the ingredients that you will need to make your sweet and sour chicken, guys. Alright guys, so now we're going to prepare the chicken. What you want to do is to put some oil in your pot, allow it to be hot before you put your chicken in it because you don't want your chicken to stick, and also you want to leave room so your chicken can brown properly. You know that if you put a lot of chicken in, what's going to happen is that it's going to steam rather than fry. And we want to brown our chicken just like this. So you just want to go ahead and repeat the same step until you brown all of your chicken. And remember guys, just leave some space so that the chicken don't steam. So this is what you want your chicken to look like after you brown them on both sides. Alright guys, so now we're going to prepare our sauce, and what you want to do is to saute your ginger and your garlic, and then you're going to add your onion. And guys, you want to make sure that you have your flame on medium low heat, alright? Because you don't want to burn your veggie at all. So just keep it on medium low heat, and then you saute your veggies. After you add your ginger and your onion, you want to go ahead and add your sweet pepper. And guys, you don't have to add them in this order. It's just something that I rather to do. You can just saute how you prefer. Now, after you add your sweet pepper, look, I'm going to leave back some of my sweet pepper, guys, just because I want to add them in my dish after I finish cooking, because it's going to give the dish, a pretty look. So you don't have some fresh veggies. I'm just leaving some of my green onion, or we call them scallion in Jamaica. So you can just leave some just to add in your food. You don't have to do this. This is just my preference. Now I'm going to add some lime juice. And guys, the lime juice is what makes it sour. So you definitely have to have some lime juice. So make sure you have your lime juice at hand. And then after you saute your veggie, now you're going to add your ketchup. So the ketchup is going to give the sauce that thickness, and it's also going to give the sauce the color. So guys, since we're making a sauce, we obviously need some form of liquid, and I'm using water for my liquid. So after I add my water, I'm just going to go ahead and add my brown sugar. And I said brown sugar. That's the sugar you should use, guys. So the sugar is what's going to make it sweet. So the sour comes from the lime juice, and now the sweet comes from the brown sugar. So we're using the brown sugar now, and after you do that, you just want to go ahead and stir it out. Alright guys, so now we're going to add some pineapple. So when you're selecting your pineapple, guys, you want to get the medium ripe pineapple. Don't get the one that is overripe and don't get the one that is green. You want to make sure that your pineapple is in the middle. I don't know if there's a name for it. If it is, you can just tell me in the comment section. I would like to know too. So after you stir in your pineapple, what you're going to do now is to add your carrot. And you want to do the same thing, just stir in your carrots so that, you can get all that lovely flavor. So guys, now is my favorite part because it's the final step. So now we're going to add the chicken. And when you're adding your chicken, you see all that nice little juice. Make sure you put it in your pot, okay? Make sure to add all that juice because that's where you're going to get all the flavor, like all the seasoning from the chicken. Just add everything to your pot. We're not wasting anything in this kitchen. So just go ahead and just stir in everything. And then when you do that, you're just going to allow your chicken to cook for roughly 7 to 10 minutes. Depends on the sizes that, guys, like for the sizes that I have, I didn't need to cook my chicken for more than 10 minutes. So I just turn on my flame and just allow the steam to cook. So as you see, I just allow my steam to cook my chicken. I don't know, guys. I'm just in a mood this morning and y'all getting in this voice over, okay? So now I'm just going to add my scallion and my bell pepper. As I said, guys, that I would add them at the end because it's going to give the pot or give my meal, that is, a very pretty color, as you can see. So that's it, guys, and that's how I make sweet and sour chicken. And trust me, if you try this recipe, you will not be disappointed. All right, so I will leave the recipe in the description box, and of course, if you just watch all my video, make sure you like my video, okay, and share it with your friends or your grandma, your auntie, whoever would like to prepare this meal. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my Fefe fam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.